March the 30th is a special day. It's my friend, student, birthday. I made this present for her. March 30, 2020. Dear love, some things in life come as precious moments. Sometimes they last just some seconds, sometimes they endure forever. On this very special day and this special moment, please accept a gift from my heart as part of your collection of moments, your present and your self-discover that will last forever. A special gift for a special girl. The second part is this little card that says, please handle with care. Thank you. And this is exactly the gift. And this is my gift for love. Are you ready for this? You're gonna love it. This story is dedicated to somebody orangely special. Do you want me to describe her? Sometimes cheerful, most of the time loved, very often proud, frequently excited, and eventually frustrated. And if you don't mind, I'll keep describing her. This is her, and this is me. Daily joyful, usually curious, constantly confident, daily amazed. Already a princess, weakly disgusted, rarely confused. These orange, reddish, ochreous, glowing, red, yellow, apricot, peach, tangerine is amazing. And so are people around her, and including teachers and friends. What happened? All my teeth are falling. Happy birthday! Today she is very happy because she's turning 7. And no virus in the world can stop me to wish her a happy birthday. Her crevice is larger every day because the third tooth is going to jump out very soon. I'm pretty. What else I can tell you? She loves to fly everywhere and drinks coconut water all day long. She doesn't need slippers to walk on the beach and wears sunglasses if it is so sunny outside. Stay away. I need to deliver a lot of art supplies. Ready for anything? And Isol is part of her day, and a lot of fun surrounds her. I can tell. This girl is always painting. Guess what is her favorite color? Pink, blue, yellow, green, or orange? Look at the orange, it's very short. Every day she screams, I'm not messy, I'm just creative. I love art and I have paint everywhere. If you let me, I will be painting even the most unusual things. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean on your guitar. Among things that she doesn't like, I can tell gone fishing is an important one because she just likes to see fish swimming in the water and as part of stories in awesome books. Can I ask you to relax? I know you want to know who is her, but wait, there is something else I have to tell. She's not a flamingo. She definitely is not a pineapple. She's not a paint table. She looks very different than a coconut tree. How can I forget the most important part? Oops! Books everywhere. She's a reader, a book reviewer, a bibliophile, a bookworm. Between magic, unicorns, and fairies, she's never alone. Drive with care, books on board. Handle with care, carrying a lot of books. Books go with me everywhere. Can you tell me where are my books? Please. Go book hunting. I love my family. Important notice. Don't hunt us. Me too. Important. I am about to go. Please bring my books. Uh-oh. Hurry. I don't have too much time. Who is she? We don't know. But she's reading all the time. Where is she? Right there. By the books. Gone fishing, books. Books, books, books. You're almost there. Have some colorblind lemonade and keep reading. I wonder what color a 7-year-old can be. Happy birthday! I can help you with this. I was wondering how can I discover what kind of being can she be? Human in a shirt. Call me Lovebug, she said. A water bear? She can survive to almost everything, but she isn't so tiny. What about a tiger? No matter what you say. Well, sometimes she roars, no, but she doesn't have strips. A clown? Actually, she can be very funny, but she doesn't have a red nose. However, she loves Cirque du Soleil. Alegria. A monkey? Probably because she's clever and social, and I bet she can leap through trees, but she doesn't have fur. A mermaid? Can be. She loves the ocean and all the creatures in the sea, but she doesn't have a tail. A fairy? Tippity 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 toe? Pretty sure she is. I have seen her wishes come true. She loves plants and nature. She keeps wings and a magic wand in her closet. A baby? For sure, one of her favorite games. She is the perfect baby, but she's turning 7. I don't think so. A creature from another planet? Sometimes she is, but just has 2 eyes. I want to learn about humans. She's a chef? She definitely is. Doesn't need a recipe and makes delicious and healthy cakes. But I don't need a recipe. I'm gonna do it my way, my way, my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. No surfing, bears are hungry. Do you know who is she? Look at the bear mouth. What about a firefighter? Well, she has everything to be a brave one. If one day you don't see her, please go look inside the purple tent. I love my tent. If she's not there, look under a maple tree. How many drops do you want? I didn't eat sugar. She loves truffle trees. Ask the Lorax. Peace, love, and music. Love? Who is she? Yeah. Keep reading. 7 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One for each of your years. A nice mandala. I need the key. Going to explore. This is the key for present and self-discover. 7 years old. 7 roses for you. But please stay away from this Venus flytrap. Getting closer and closer. Keep reading. She loves little things. She made her first sand castle, and she says now she knows how far from the water should it be. She's a reader. Amazing story. I'm going to read all the 6 books today, and this is one of her favorite books. And what about being amazing places? She loves amazing places, awesome adventures. A role of creativity. A party planner. Organized, creative, original, focus. I'm going to plan a party. This party is going to be amazing. Math, science, geography, magic. All those books are for you. Happy birthday. There. Don't go. I need to read. Thank you for your patience reading up to here. You didn't lose your time at all because you have been able to meet this amazing 7 years old. Note, don't read it if you get scared easily. Horror book! Dear love, I didn't know I could be so inspired thinking about your birthday number 7. But now that I am at the end of the story, I realize that you inspired me. Hope you inspire the world. I'm sure you will. This can be true. We, 2 souls, 2 humans, 2 fairies, 2 friends, 2 special human beings to make this world a better place to live. With love to love, your friend Maria. This is going to be delivered by midnight tonight. Happy birthday, sweetie.